Alright, there goes that one. Alright, let's watch this elevator go up. Cool. It is spring break season, so it is expected to be very crowded. This is the elevators at Garage B here at Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport. We might be getting people on board. This is the busiest garage. We're not going to take too many rides. Just up, and we're going to go down and then get off at 6. The other elevators in Garage A are a little bit more interesting than these, so... We're going to get off at 6. We'll get off actually at 4. We'll get off at 4. And let's watch this elevator go down to 1. There it goes, and that's it.